In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a picture from Google Drive. This is a straightforward process that will help you easily save images to your device. Let's get started. First, open your browser. If you are using Chrome, look for the Google Apps icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This icon typically looks like a grid made up of small squares. Clicking on it will display a menu of Google services. This is crucial because it allows you to access Google Drive directly from your browser. If you are not using Chrome, simply navigate to the Google Drive website by typing drive.google.com in your address bar. By opening the right application, you ensure a smoother experience. Next up, click on Drive from the options presented. This action will take you directly to your Google Drive interface. You will see a list of your files and folders. If you're signed into your Google account on your personal device, you should not have to log in again. This step is important because it connects you to your stored files, making it easy to find what you need without any hassle. After that, locate the image file you want to save. You can scroll through the list of files or use the search bar at the top to find your image quickly. If you opt for the search, make sure to specify that you are looking for image files. This will help narrow down your results. Finding the correct image is crucial because it prevents you from downloading something you didn't intend to. Once you've found the image file, right-click on it. If you prefer, you can also click the three vertical dots next to the file name. This action opens a context menu with several options. Right-clicking is a quick way to access additional actions without cluttering your screen. It allows you to interact with your files efficiently. Now select Download from the drop-down menu. This is a simple step, but it is essential because it initiates the download process. After clicking Download, you may see a prompt or an indication that the download has started. This step is pivotal as it directly leads to saving the image to your device. The image will now save directly to your computer's Downloads folder. You can usually find this folder by navigating to your File Explorer or Finder. Knowing where your files are saved is important because it helps you locate them easily later. Once the download is complete, you can open the image from your Downloads folder or access it from wherever you save files. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently download images from Google Drive. This process not only saves time, but also helps you manage your files better. If you encounter any issues, make sure your internet connection is stable and try refreshing the page. Thank you for watching and happy downloading.